Jenny. Jenny, go. So, this is next. We're going to change this. We're going to pop this one off. And we're going to put a new one on there. Well, it looks like what we're going to have to do is pop this little section right here off. We're going to go up under here.
Oh, son, that's easy.
Oh, that's easy stuff, man. Easy peasy. Just yank on it as hard as you can.
Clips on it, bruh.
That was a joke, bro. Set yourself up for a real fucked up day that way.
Yeah. I just...
Ooh.
Good job, bitch.
Take a look at the new knob. What's that? Focus. Fucking fast. Boom. Just twisty. Do that McTwist right there.
That is the smaller thread, I think. That's got too big of a thread.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right. That's it.
Oh, brother.
Alright, we're done.
That's it. That's game. Look at how nice that is
It's
down
gonna
there.
stay on there.
Hmm?
It's gonna stay on there. This thing's actually pretty heavy.
Let's go. Wow.
That knob.
Yeah.
Here, goddamn it, I got that.
Oh God, you can't hold it?
No,
Please?
you can't.
Monica! Go in the sixth and then downshift the third. Okay, go ahead. Okay, whoa.
So we're gonna wipe the pickle here.
Let me fucking see it.
I can't even figure out how to take this goddamn thing off.
It's fucking glued.
No, it's not, you dumbass.
Bitch, what the fuck you call that? Did you get it off? I missed it.
Bitch.
Suck me, dude.
It's got a fold right there. One thing, bro. This thing ain't gonna be right though, because it's not gonna be like that. I'm gonna want to push it down in there like this. I'm gonna have to make it look like that is correct. It really ain't.
Let's get some glue.
Probably get some tape and tape it. Like some adhesive tape. Just
Let me see what it's like to drive an import. Is it still gas with the right foot in on it on an import?
gears are still in the same spot.
It's weird being over here.
I was like, what are you doing?
It's weird doing it with my lefty. Go ahead. Alright, you're not.
Yeah, I'll see what it's like driving America.
Fuck, what the fucking... Okay. No, hold on. I got this.
I'm not coordinated with my left hand. So
I'm not either. Huh? It's on there.
put it in third, give it a little clutch kick.
Trying to do a wheelie. Pop a wheelie. Oh! We're gonna call it a video now. Got a new knob in there, really fucking fast for 6. You know. You wanna say goodbye?
I need to figure out some way to get this.
Okay. Well, we'll figure this out. And we'll let you guys know what happens. Okay.
Where's duct tape?
Fuck it. Well, fuck it. Duct tape it.
And as far as I can see, I just need privacy. Plus a whole lot of true fuck all this modesty. I just need space to do me, get away what they're trying to see. A Stella Maxwell right beside of me. A Ferrari, I'm buying 3. A closet of Saint Laurent, get what I want when I want. Cause the hunger is driving me, yeah. I just need to be alone. I just need to be at home. Understand what I'm speaking on. If time is money, I need a loan.